everyone, and welcome to our podcast with your Science National Honor Society host. With that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alexandra Duran, and I'm here with my partner.
Daniel Magana, and in this episode, we will be discussing the concept of different types of molecules referred to in Tech B.9a.
For the content of the day, we will be discussing the warm up, introduction of the concept, learning objectives, and as well as
Questions of the day, activities/assignments, and conclusion or summary. To start us off, here we have a warm up. What do you know about carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins and nucleic acids? Do you know what they do in the body? Do you have any examples where you can find them? List out whatever you know.
some examples could be a carbohydrate could be found in bread.
Now for our learning objectives. This episode is to compare the functions of different types of biomolecules, including carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids.
Now, question of the day. What are monomers and for each biomolecule? You need to answer by carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Make sure to respond to this answer after the video in the comments below. Here are some general information of the concept. TIC B.9a is a unit of chemistry of life. Now, biomolecules are a molecule that is produced by a living organism, which are important for the living cells.
Monomers are building blocks that combine to make the polymers.
And finally, as we mentioned, our four main types of biomolecules are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids.
Here we have the functions of each biomolecule.
We have carbohydrates. Our monomer is monosaccharide, and its functions is to primary and quick energy source. Some are structural in forming cell walls. Then we have lipids. Our monomer is glycerol and fatty acids. It's a long-term energy storage source, structure of cell membrane, provides insulation, and is known as fats.
For proteins, their monomer is amino acids, and they are used for enzymes, cell structure, growth, repair, and hormones. You can also see them be used for transport and defense. Nucleic acids have the monomer nucleotide. The nucleic acids store and transmit genetic information.
Here are a few examples of the biomolecules. Then we have the explanation of the elements that make up biomolecules. We have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus.
We have also included a sort of graph used to help identify what elements can be found inside of them. For carbs, we have CHO. Lipids, we have CHO as well. Protein is CHON, and nucleic acid is CHON. Ready to test your knowledge? Here we have a little quiz for you to test your skills. There will be a second part, so be ready.
Make sure to pause if you need more time. Here is the second part of the assignment. Make sure to also pause and take your time to answer these questions.
Are you done? Good. Let's move on to the answers. Number 1, carbs. Number 2, virus. Number 3, lipids. Number 4, nucleic acids. Number 5, proteins. Number 6, cell. A, tissue. D, organs. B, organ system. And E, organism. For 7, the answer is B. For 8, the answer is A. For 9, the answer is D. And for 10, the answer is A.
Now that we have a good understanding, let's sum up what we have learned. We learned that carbohydrates are a quick energy source that builds up some cell walls. It also has a monomer of monosaccharides. Lipids are a source of long-term energy that makes up cell membranes, provides insulation, and are also referred to as fats. It has a monomer of glycerol and fatty acids.
For proteins, we know that they are used for repairs inside of the organism as well as transport and defense. It has the monomer amino acids. Nucleic acids are used to store genetic material and have the monomer nucleotides.
Now that we have concluded with our lesson, you guys will have to complete this quick Google form and review and reflect based on this video.
I hope you found this podcast interesting and informative. We wish you good luck in your biology star.
Thank you for watching.